take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1988 Monte Carlo SS. Nice looking coupe, interesting color combination you don't see every day. Good looking combo together. Of course, the tuxedo black, 19 paint code. And that has the saddle interior with the light gold striping on it. Underneath the hood, 305, so the high output version, which would be the L69 engine. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. As you can see, a couple aftermarket headlights added. It does have, looks like the stock ones in the trunk. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. Original mile car also. It was a little over 42,000. We'll check that out when we get in, check out the interior started up. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of the car, the interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As far as the black paint on it, it does show a little bit of its age, as you can see on the hood, but still has a nice luster to it. Still shows well. Nice one for any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Take a look up and down the side of it, pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, bucket seats, center console, shifter on the floor. That high output 305 is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. A little aftermarket stereo has been added, and like I said, we'll take a little closer look at the interior here in just a bit. I want to point out there was one little spot. We got some corrosion right down here. It's kind of been touched up. A little tough to see. Try to point it out in the still picture spot there. A little spot on the other side. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. No miles recorded over the odometer's readings. Like I said, actual mile car. And once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I wanted to point out, you can see the paint too. It looks like original paint here in the filler panel. Just a tad bit thin right there. But again, shows well considering the age of the car. Really an 80s classic when you think about it. And here was that other little spot. You can kind of see it just a little bit right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, and you'll be able to see the still pictures where I tried to get a close-up of those spots and the rest of this car. Engine bay interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video. Alright, equipment-wise, power locks, power windows, door panels, nice shape. Same with the carpeting. I have the still pictures with the floor mats out. Carpeting looks good. A little bit of a crack just from the regular wear of the seat right there. But as far as the cloth, looks good. Also free of rips, tears. And then these are kind of known for the headliners coming down some. But as you can see, this one intact. Not sagging. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here's the exact miles, a little over 42,000. 42,439. Wipers work again. AC blows cold. That would be the fasten seatbelt warning. Other than that, no other indicator. Lights on, and as you can see, tack works. Here's the rest of the gauges also. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo. That is also working. Take a look at the dash. Couple of small spots. One there and over here. Get a good look at it. Sounds good. Sounds like a stock 88 Monte Carlo should. Don't really notice any aftermarket crazy stuff on this one. Nice sounding exhaust. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Also intact. Nice, clean, tidy engine plate. Smooth runner too. If you watched the videos before, what you don't hear underneath is sometimes the most important. All you hear is a good sounding engine. Everything looks as it should. In 305 high output, paired up to that automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, clean Carfax, and this 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.